Hello everyone. So I have been building the MVP for Intuitive, and this is the version 1.1. One I have already built. I'll show you in a while. So you open the website, and yeah, most importantly, this is gonna have a mobile application as well. So do not to worry. So the idea of this MVP is simple because before even writing, you know, thousand lines of code, I just wanted to see how the project will, have its fundamental core solved already through design, and how we are gonna shape or restructure the application both in mobile and web. So here you go. I have to write. I was about to write my name here, but yes, it's just an experiment, nothing else. So the first thing that when you enter the website at the hero section here, you're gonna ask how are you feeling today. So whatever like you're feeling, you can just you know just click on it, and then it'll share something. Now this application has a journal feature where you can just write about all the things that you're going through. Anything, like it's a journal, it's a e-journal. Then there is a breathing exercise. You can begin the exercise. Yeah. So here I have given one, the kind of a very simple breathing technique exercise. These all features will be resolved in the original product, and so you can just start the exercise. This thing will open for 4 seconds, like the, because it is in cycle of four. You can also select like how you want to go slower, you want to go normal, or faster, whatever it is. For 3 minutes this is gonna happen. Now let's go back to home. Then you have the AI chatting feature. Actually this is gonna be speech to speech, but you can also like chat. It doesn't limit itself to just one particular thing. Like for example, you can see all of these things here. This is a demo feature just to show you how it responds. And we can also you know enter our queries this right now. So I'm feeling good because I am creating an intuitive. Now, AIs are still not perfect. They make mistakes, and even after this prompt, it is and can be. I mean, supposedly make a mistake. So don't penalize me with anything, because I'm already fine tuning the speech to speech model that is exclusively for the mental health application that here it is. And I send this message, so this can reply, but right now I haven't entered my OpenAI API keys and stuff, the secret keys and the different .env variables um, that I'll enter, because this is just the MVP, and it's 1.2. One is more simpler than this. Then you go to the this is the AI companion page, and the next is therapists. So we have like seven of them on board right now, and you can go to their profile. For these are like example profiles, and you can request a session, select when and time, uh, text only, voice input plus text replies, or voice input plus voice replies. Just keep it empty, and just write down here that I want to meet her in her office, sorry, in her clinic. Then you send the request, So this is a page where you can just book your favorite request, and your favorite therapist, whosoever you want to go with. Like for example, we have mentioned here that this Dr. Leela Navarro is a PhD clinical psychologist, and she has 10 years of experience. So this is the example. Like we're gonna add the experience of the person who's on board, what degree education they have completed. So yeah. Then the breathing thing I already showed you. Then comes the journal. So this is a very private journal. You can just, these are like my demo notes. You can create a new entry here. Uh, Intuitive is my breathing, and write anything, like it's a journal. You can mention uh, anything. So, and you, the good thing about this is completely private. Once you log into your account, which is important because without logging in you cannot use the application at all. So you have to like log in first, and then it also gives you an option for streaks, like you have streaks in Snapchat, to be consistent and be happy about it. So there's this streak model, and then what's your how many entries you have written, and what is your quiet mood, or was the mood while you were writing, because the AI is gonna analyze the whole article that you're gonna write, I mean the journal entry you're gonna make, and here it's gonna enter the score automatically. You don't have to do anything. Let's get back to home again. And yeah, as it has an AI, it doesn't mean that during the critical situations, you're gonna use an app. Whenever like you're thinking you're getting suicidal thoughts, or thoughts of self harm, please click on the crisis help, and just I have to enter the number here, but this is how you get out of it. I mean, you don't have to if you're in uh, withdrawals, right? In the night, during the night, and you're trying to kick off a heroin habit, you're in withdrawals. So that is crisis help. That during that time, obviously the AI cannot treat you. So crisis help is always there. This is the MVP 1.2. I think I've already showed the first one. Let me just. That that has a lot of errors as well. So I'm just trying to fix them all. So this is. Oh, I actually didn't mention this also. So this is the part of the website where the stats are showing up. How many journal days, how many breathing days, self care analysis, and here it is recent activity. Your own journals will be available here, and you can also have a companion in chat if you don't want to talk, if you don't want to go for the speech to speech recognition model. You can still here like talk to the whatever this companion. I feel anxious. I think it will not work right now, maybe because of the OpenAI API key and everything. I have not entered it. So yeah, you get the gist of it. Anyways. So yeah, this is what Intuitive is gonna do, and this is where we are heading. I think, and I really believe that the mental health crisis nowadays with Gen Z and even millennials, uh, especially students to working professionals in high corporate jobs, they first of all they don't have the time to go and see a therapist. Secondly, they don't have anything handy. There are people who are like very severely having some sort of mental illness, which means that maybe they are suffering from paranoia, schizophrenia, bipolar disorder, whatever. So that time, uh, one of our, inpatient the thing partner will be available here. So always remember, for the crisis help, there are more features that I want to add, but that will happen later on. But first, I need you guys to give me feedback on this so that I can, straight up go and make it more finer and more better. Uh, this is my fuel, your feedbacks. So I was also trying to show you, I think, the version 1. Let this thing load, because, yeah, I think we have loaded every code right here. So I will give him the command pm run dev. So this will start the server, the node server, and oops, what happened? This is something I was not expecting. Okay, well, I have to debug this. It happens. It's just, a program. It always happens. It's nothing like a big deal here. I have to fix it first. But earlier it was working when I actually took the screenshot and posted it. But anyhow, this will be the version 1. Once I've fixed it, I'll again give a walkthrough. And this is the version 1.2 of the MVP. And obviously this looks better than that one. But in the case of usability and things, I want your feedback. So yeah, I mean, this is it. And I'm researching on the legalities of it now, right now. So once I'm free and once I have debugged the code, I'll also show you the V1. Thank you, and please provide honest feedback so that I can iterate and I can make it one of the best uh, mental health wellness applications and in this huge market. So yeah, I know the numbers, I know everything. Now I'm just getting into the legalities before writing the the production ready code, because right now it's just me tinkering and trying to create an MVP just to show how the minimum viable product is, taking the lean approach. So before I get start writing like the production ready code, I want everything to be sorted out. And yeah, that is it. I mean, I'm quite proud of me, myself. And yeah, this is it. So let me just fix the this bug here, and I'll come back with the version 1 as well. Thank you so much for viewing and giving your time. Please provide honest feedback as well. That is what make the product beautiful, and even I have my course settled down. So thank you so much. Thank you so much for being there.